Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Pinoy Stat. This is my second video, for this series regarding learning statistics using R. Okay, so let's begin. First, we're going to look at what is inside the RStudio. Okay, on the top bottom here, on this in this quadrant here, on the top left quadrant, you can see here that this is where you can find your a notebook and your script. Okay, so if you click file and new file, so you just select R script and R notebook. Okay, if you select R notebook, you can make this one. Okay, R notebook basically is a markdown notebook, okay, wherein you can if you preview it, it will make an HTML file that you can upload to a site or your server, or you can just send it for a report. Okay, its output is an HTML, but you can also use other outputs. Okay, next is if you click file and new R script, so it will create this file here, this untitled file, and you can run a script here line by line. The program will execute every lines of code. Okay, that's it. So let's start. Okay, first of all, why do you use R? First of all, R is a free statistical software which you can download freely. Okay, it's very comprehensive also, which means that it has all these statistical techniques or statistical wizardry in learning from that we're going to use to learn from data. Okay, and next, it's has nice graphics and it's easy to use. Okay, so how do we typically use R? Okay, first of all, if you're going to input some numbers to the variables, okay, like for example this one, we just need to execute this and then put it at here. Okay, there are many ways to do that. If you're going to use this notebook, okay, and if you want to run this stuff, okay, so you put numbers inside the list inside variable A, another one variable B, and then you take the standard deviation. Okay, SD means standard deviation. Okay, and you can see here you get the mean also and the maximum value. Okay, a specific statistical very basic statistics. And if you want to get the correlation between A and B here, okay, that's it. So if you run this code, so you just have to run and run current chunk. Okay, so basically it will provide you this output. So what is this output for? This is first output is standard deviation here, the second output is the mean, and so on and so forth. Okay, so so that you will not be confused, okay, we'll do it in the console also below. Click it here. Okay, and then I'm going to type here a variable A, and put here the left arrow key and slash dash, okay, or the minus, and then I'm going to put 1, 2, and 3. See, or concatenate 1, 2, and 3. Press enter. Okay, and if I'm going to display the value of here, I'm just going to write var A, press enter, and you can see it's 1, 2, 3 below. Okay, now if I'm going to get the standard deviation, I'm just going to put SD and var A. That's the standard deviation, the mean, and the max. Okay, so that's it. That is the mean. This is the basic statistics. Okay, so now what can R do? Okay, first we can plot it here. Okay, we can plot variable A with respect to variable B, being variable A as an x-axis and variable B as a y-axis. Okay, so let's plot this. Run, and here run current chunk. Okay, XY coordinates, X label, Y label, log, lengths differ. Okay, I understand. So var A and var B lengths differ. no problem. So you can see here 1 2, so I might as well make this into, okay, because I'm just going to rerun this. I think I need to rerun this thing because I think this is all, they have the same number of elements. So I just need to run this chunk, run current this chunk, okay, and then plot again here. Okay, yeah, because previously I put it here below, new numbers or new values for var a. Okay, so they are now currently different in length. So make sure that length of a and b are the same, or the number of elements of a and variable b are the same. So you can see here, if you click on this command plot, it will plot here the data. Okay, x being variable a and y being variable b. Okay, so there are tons of graphics that we can do. If you want to create a demo of the graphics that what R can do, so you just need to execute this command here. Okay, and of course next, run current chunk. Okay, and here is it. Now if you want to see it in a nice way, so let's click on this preview here. Okay, so it will load the HTML file, and then you can see it here. Okay, so demo graphics. Okay, so here's the code, and then here's the output. So you can see this is like a stationary time series. Okay, I think they got this, if I'm not mistaken, you see here there's an AB line, there's normally distributed. So we will discuss some of this, okay, wherein we're going to create this graph. Okay, next there is a color wheel. Okay, so here you can have this command again, and you can see here there's a color wheel, and another one, there's a pie here, and the favorite one is the box plot. You can see in the box plot if you want to divide it by category, like male or female, or what you call this, by age, by gender, or by occupation. You can do this box plot and learn from data. You can group it using. And another one is Brownian motions, or the distance between each Brownian motion here. Okay, another one is the okay, this one is just a time series graph. It just shows that it goes up there. Okay, and the normal distribution here, and here's this. If you want to, this is the iris data set. Okay, if you want to plot columns 1 to 4, okay, so it will show you here. Another one is with this coloring, and here's a nice one, topographic map, and depth. Okay, so these just are the examples of graphics in R and some basic commands. Okay, if you have some questions, please write in the comment below, and please subscribe to my channel,